In today's video, I am sharing with you a grocery haul from my Walmart pickup order, and I will be sharing with you some cleaning motivation in almost every part of my apartment. Make sure you stick around. Real quickly, gonna show you everything we got at Walmart for our grocery haul. We picked up a 4-pack of the Totino's party pizzas. Those are just easy, quick dinners and lunches whenever we're feeling lazy. Then I got some spring mix for salads. I picked up a can of Endust, and this is just the lemon scent. I don't even know if they have another scent, but I picked up one of those, which are actually good for dusting, but also stainless steel. I think I'm gonna try this on our stainless steel today. I picked up 2 bags of edamame here, some Oscar Mayer turkey bacon. Then we picked up some sliced chicken breasts for sandwiches and breakfast and stuff. One of the larger bags of sharp cheddar cheese, some sliced Munster. Then we picked up a can of biscuits to make air fryer donuts. It's super easy to make these, super yummy too. Then we got a little thing of butter. We don't go through a lot of butters, which is why we buy like this mini one. We picked up 2 pounds of salmon fillets, the skinless ones. These are like the only protein that we really feel comfortable buying from Walmart as opposed to like chicken and turkey and stuff. And then we got a box of the Pop-Tart s'mores. We just really love s'mores flavored anything, and Chance loves Pop-Tarts. Then we ran out of barbecue sauce, so I got a replacement here. Love this brand. Then we've been loving the Torani syrup, and we ran out of it for about a week, so we're grateful to have this back in our house, especially now that we have the new coffee maker over there. So this will mix in well with both iced and hot coffee, and then we can pour the foam on top. And then we have some potato gnocchi here. We got 1 can of corned beef hash. I picked up 4 boxes of potato pancakes because if you guys have seen a lot of my older videos, you guys know we love to cook with potato pancakes, and my Walmart has been out of stock of these for literal months, so I was like, gotta snatch them up while they're here. Then I picked up 2 boxes of mac and cheese. They were pretty much out. We have like 1 box left, so I figured that's good just to have on hand. Then we picked up more of these turkey sticks. These are a great snack after the gym. Lots of protein there. We picked up a pack of everything bagels. We like to use this for lunch and mostly breakfast. Then some avocado for avocado toast and any bowls we might make or salads. And then we just picked up 2 pounds of strawberries, and the strawberries look really, really good today. I'm excited. Look how good they look. And that was everything in the grocery haul. Okay, and we are going to be starting by getting a load of laundry going. It is always a great idea that if you are about to go on a cleaning spree, that you throw in a load of laundry so that can wash while you're still working. And then that way you're not losing any time, you're not waiting on stuff to be done. It's just going to constantly be going while you're already doing other things. My husband and I are gonna go ahead and get started on our bed. We are making the bed, and as you can tell, there is currently no comforter on there, but eventually, we don't know if it's gonna happen in this apartment or the next one, but we do wanna share with you all a complete re-makeover of our master bedroom and kind of added more colors, do a few different things here and there. We're not really sure just yet, but we have picked out a comforter and we went with a neutral, and we just thought that would give us the freedom to do a lot of other fun and crazy things in other parts of the room. Coffee table here, you can see that we have this little cup ring, and then there are some fingerprints on there that you may not be able to see on camera, but I am using one of my favorite cleaning products. This is a $1 foam glass cleaner that I pick up at Dollar Tree. I just got this product a few weeks ago and I mentioned it in some of my videos, but I have found new ways to use it in my home, and I want to share that with you all later in this video, so make sure you keep on watching so I can show you one of my favorite places to use this cleaner.
Would you run on me, leaving this mark? But baby,
This isn't necessarily one of the most glamorous things you can do on your chores list, but it is something I had to do, and I didn't want to not include it in the video because I just want to be real with you all, and this is something I have to do pretty much every other day. So wanted to go ahead and include that in this video, but not gross you guys out. And then we're also going to refill the litter box as well. You're welcome, Bonnie. You're welcome. Thanks, babe. Hi, are you excited to have a clean bathroom? Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. And then the final touch for the living room is just adding some fabric spray, and I get this from the Dollar Tree.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily.
And then in the spirit of the restock trend that is going crazy on TikTok and YouTube and Instagram, I am just restocking the K-Cups in our coffee drawer. So here I'm going to use that $1 cleaner again. I'm using it on the glass of my microwave, but I'm also going to use it in one more spot in the kitchen, so make sure you hold on for that. Here I'm going to be using some Endust to shine my stainless steel. If you guys have seen any of my cleaning videos before, you know I normally use the Wyman wipes, but this works way better than the Wyman products. I have tried the spray, I have tried the wipes, and this is superior, like far superior, and it's cheaper than the Wyman product, and the results speak for themselves, and you can see that in these before and after photos that I'm going to be sharing with you all. And the last place I like to use my glass cleaner is on the stovetop. I like to spray it on, let it sit for about a minute, and then I use my scraper tool to just get off any cooked on food. And then I just dry and buff it out with a microfiber cloth, and then it is all good to go, and it leaves the glass stovetop looking almost brand new. And the last thing I want to do in the kitchen is go ahead and give it a nice good vacuum, and then what I call a lazy mop, which is basically my own DIY squirt mop. I take a spray bottle, I put some pine sol vinegar and water, and then I use that to clean the floors, and then I use a Swiffer with a reusable pad on it, and then that is how I do the floors in between me pulling out my O-Cedar to do a real good mopping. If you guys want to see me more than once a week, make sure to go ahead and follow me over on my Instagram. I will leave that on the screen for you all here. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I will see you next week for another awesome video. Bye guys.